One of the most important aspects of customizing apparel is making sure you get your designs in the right size and in the right print location. Here we got some common ones. You get the sleeve print, the back neckline, the left chest, and then of course over here we've got the full front, also a full back is very popular as well. So we're gonna get started with the full front. I'm gonna show you how to line that up, and I'm gonna give you an idea of the size that you're gonna need. All right, so to start off, we're going off with the most common print location you're probably gonna be seeing. It's gonna be the full front, kind of the same sizing and positioning as the full back, but really you're gonna be looking in between 9 to 11 inches in width for your standard sizes, small through extra large. U sizes may be in between 6 to 8 inches. Anything 2X plus, just really add an inch to whatever you do. So if I do 11 inches for small through XL, 12 for the 2X plus. With this here, if you have our alignment ruler kit, it makes it a lot easier, but really it's just gonna be pretty much the width of your hand down from the collar. Make sure that that is centered. And once you're confident in your centering, you just go ahead, pull this down, and press. Right now, 315 for 15 seconds, kind of the standard operating procedure around it. Little cool peel action. Nice and easy. There we have it. Full front. Pretty much going to be the same for the full back. So now, set this to the side. And we're going to go with the left chest. Probably another super common one you're going to be dealing with. Kind of take it from this angle here. That's how I like to do it. You can do it however you want. But basically, you're just going to want to line it up with the end of the collar. Still kind of a hand down. Bang. Bang. Set that up. You're looking usually 3 to 4 inches in width. Anything bigger than like a 3x3 or a 4x4 is going to look a little too big. But you can definitely go smaller if that's the look that you're looking for. And hit it with the press. Nice left chest there for you. So now we'll set this to the side. Now we're going to do the back neck tag. So really this kind of just comes down to however size you want to do it. This is a little, on the larger side, but it's still going to work for you. So what we'll do here, lay that down. Really again, anything from a 2x2 to a 4x4 is kind of that range you're looking for. And then I'll just kind of make sure I have my center of the back with the tag. This is going to be, do this higher, maybe just a little bit higher if you prefer it that way. And just make sure when you're lining all this up that you're lining it up with the design itself, not the transfer paper. Just because sometimes if you get a slightly uneven cut, you might end up a little crooked if you're not going with just the design. So that's always something to keep in mind. And you just kind of pushing it on the press and hit it with that heat. Nice back neck tag here. And of course, really any size from this, this is kind of where I'd max it out. You go as small as a 2x2, which is what we're going to be taking a look at next for the sleeve print. Kind of have to lay this out a little bit more specially here. Make sure you have a nice flat surface. Really, you just want to go, evenly proportioned from the shoulder to the cuff. And just hit it with a press. All right, we'll hit it with the second press. And one thing with the sleeves as well, especially if you're working with more bulky materials, a lot of the times a heat press pillow is going to be really helpful. You kind of slide it into the sleeve, elevate that a little bit more, especially with those more bulky materials, but also just in general, kind of helps you do a little bit better of a lineup, especially if you're just getting started. Perfect. All right, there you have it. That's hot, very hot. You're right on the side of the sleeve there, and you're good to go. So those are going to be the main print areas that you're going to be dealing with. We've got the sleeve print, back tag, full front for full back, and then the left chest. Of course, all those different sizes are not only available earlier in this video, but also on our size guide on our website. So definitely keep a lookout for that. So the next time you have an order lined up, make sure to watch this video, take that advice into account, and you'll be pressing like a pro in no time.